Understanding proof of claim, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, proof of claim. This is a common term, especially in legal and formal contexts. Let's explore what it means and how it's used, ensuring you can understand and apply it confidently in your English conversations. Proof of claim refers to evidence or documentation that supports a statement or assertion. It's often used in legal situations where someone needs to provide evidence to back up a claim they've made. Understanding this phrase is key in contexts like insurance, law, and everyday situations where you need to justify what you say. To grasp this concept better, let's look at some examples. In a court case, a plaintiff might need to provide proof of claim to show that their accusations are valid. When filing an insurance claim, you must submit proof of claim, like receipts or police reports, to support your request for compensation. These examples help illustrate how proof of claim functions in real-life scenarios. Now, let's practice using proof of claim in sentences. The lawyer asked for additional proof of claim before proceeding with the lawsuit. Without sufficient proof of claim, the insurance company denied the reimbursement. Notice how the phrase integrates seamlessly into different contexts, emphasizing the need for evidence. That's it for our lesson on proof of claim. Remember, this phrase is all about providing evidence to support a statement. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your journey to mastering the English language. Keep practicing, and see you in the next lesson.